Hello and welcome on this new midweek analysis video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and kindly leave a comment and share the video. So of course, my friends, also before we start, I would like to share with you our results in the VIP group of Telegram. Of course, I'm totally aware that the last week was not good at all, and we will announce the results later of that week because we still have some trades running. But however, this week is so far better, and so far as you can see, this week we have actually sent all of these signals, and thankfully just one of them hit the stop loss. The rest of them are actually running in a good profit. So as we can see, even here the pound JPY hit 90 pips of take profit number 2. That's really amazing. So far I think we have more than 200 pips of profit, but I will announce the results later. However, of course, seeing is believing. You can actually try the VIP service by yourself and tell us what you think. Of course, to join, you can just find the contact details of our support in the description below of this video. Contact them today, and hopefully we will see you there. So right now, let's begin our midweek analysis, and as usual, we will start with the EURUSD. So EURUSD signal has finally been activated just actually a few hours ago, and so far running in around 13 pips of profit. So of course, nothing to say at all about this signal. It's running well so far, exactly as planned, and we are just hoping for it to be running hopefully in profit. Of course, the same analysis from the last Saturday still valid on the EURUSD. So let's now skip it and go to the pound USD. Alright, so now for the pound USD, as you can see, the trade hasn't really been activated. The market has reversed just like 8 pips far away from the entry, but thankfully we have some members, or actually followers, who actually have taken this signal and so far making profits, such as this gentleman here. He said pound USD already in profit for my side, thanks, and I would like to thank him also for the comment and appreciate his time to put it in, and hopefully he will be running in more and more profits. So I believe that he's running so far at least in 65 pips of profit. I wish him the best, and hopefully we will continue providing you with these signals. So now what's next with the pound USD? Actually not that much, because the pair is about to hit the take profit level just like 60 pips far away from it. So where exactly we can rebuy this pair again if we can to? The answer lies of course on the 1 hour time frame. As we can see right now, the market has made here a structure exactly just like this, and it actually has made the, sorry, not like that, just let me just be sure, exactly like this. Yes. So as you can see, the market has already made here a bullish breakout from that structure and the resistance as well, and already here created a support number 1 and right here support number 2. So that means that the pound USD most likely will continue the rise. Now the question is again, where exactly we can rebuy this pair again? I will show you how to find the answer in a very interesting way. But first of all, I would like to delete the old buy level, keeping the same take profit level. However, let me just show you what we can do right now. We will actually use right now the magic of trend lines. Now, how do we do that? By simply draw here a support trend line, as we can see, like that. Let me just make sure it's correct. Exactly, just like that. Yeah, fantastic. So now what we will do next is simply drag the very same support line that I have used and just simply place it right here exactly. Check this out. So right now we can see that this level of a previous resistance trend line became also a support trend line, and we can call it support trend line number 1. So what I will do is simply wait for the pound USD to fall again to create a second attempt of the support trend line, and that will be actually a better entry for us. So where exactly then we can find our entry? The answer lies again on the previous level of a broken resistance, which lies exactly right here. So therefore, I would actually recommend to rebuy the pound USD exactly at the bottom of the support at 1.321, which was of course the peak of the previous broken level of a resistance. And if the market will continue to fall, it will first of all create here support number 2 and also support trend line number 2 as well. Of course, targeting the same take profit level that we had earlier in the last in the last weekly video. Where is the number? Did I delete it? It's there. Alright, let me just make sure. Alright, let's just put it in. Wait a minute, my friends. I'm getting confused here. Oh, 1 second, guys. Let me pause the video. And there goes our deal, my friends, on the pound USD. And again, the safe zone will be ranging till our previous, not entry, I mean a little bit above it, where the market has reversed from. So, the safe zone will be ranging for around 33 pips against 80 pips of profit. Let's now move to the AUDUSD. Alright, so AUDUSD was also a winning signal. It has also been activated. It reversed also from 0.676 and right now running in around 34 pips of profit. As you can see, my friends, I'm moving fast here because this midweek analysis video is just a follow-up of the previous video. Of course, the weekly analysis. So every Saturday, we send a weekly analysis video, and then usually Wednesday, we follow it up later with the follow-up video of the midweek analysis video. So that's why I'm moving fast and I'm not explaining much because I'm assuming that you have already watched the first video of the weekly analysis. Anyway, now AUDUSD, my friends, has actually been activated. What's next with this pair? Nothing actually, because maybe the pair will continue to fall toward our original entry and will continue the rise. It's still retesting the broken level of a resistance at 0.676, and until it make a strong bearish breakout from it, we will just continue buying this pair. And if that happens, of course, we'll send a new signal, maybe to sell the AUDUSD if it actually make a bearish breakout from the resistance at 0.676. But until then, AUDUSD remains the same. Moving now to the USDCAD. USDCAD has already hit the take profit level, but sadly hasn't been activated. What a bummer. Now, what's next with this pair? Well, at least it went in the right direction, and that's actually fine by me. So now, what we can do next with the USDCAD, actually moving to the weekly chart, is always showing us the best direction, or what we can expect next. So right now, if we check the Fibonacci retracement, we can notice that the USDCAD has actually reached 61.8 Fibonacci retracement. But the issue is that this is, of course, the second attempt of the support. And here we already have multiple attempts of that level of support as well. So meaning the market most likely right now will be in consolidation mode, because we are talking about weekly candle. And the candle still has around 3 days for the closure, which means this candle might actually be ranging at that level. Then maybe the next week candle is gonna show us a strong bullish reversal, or either a bearish breakout. But until then, I believe the USDCAD is going to continue to be in consolidation mode. I mean, it's gonna be neutral, and I'm not expecting much of action on it. What we can do next, simply by moving to the daily chart, is actually just keep, I would like to say, scalping the USDCAD, which means we can wait for the pair to reach the bottom of the support at 1.342, and we can actually buy the USDCAD till it just reach like the previous level of a previous support right here, exactly at 1.347. So this is like a scalping signal, just targeting around 55 pips and a safe zone that shouldn't be ranging lower than the bottom of the previous key support level right here, exactly at 1.339. So we will just simply have to wait for the USDCAD to fall all the way right here for around 33 pips to reach the bottom of that support, and then buy it again and exit as soon as possible till it reach the nearest level of a support. That's actually just a scalping signal, my friends. So again, let me please now write it for you. That's everything for the USDCAD. Let's now move to the NZDUSD. So NZDUSD hasn't been actually activated, but at least it went, no, actually it has been activated, sorry. It has been activated yesterday, and so far running in around 32 pips of profit again. If you guys have taken the signal, let us know in the comments, and before we continue, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and kindly leave a comment and share the video. Now, what's next with this pair? Actually, we cannot say much also, because the pair is still rising and reaching hopefully soon the take profit level at 0.627. So what we can do right now is simply adjust the entry to be just right here where the market has actually reversed from. First, actually, we had here this broken level of a resistance trend line. This resistance trend line that I have drawn here last week, as we can see now, it's being respected. So therefore, we will just keep the same entry at the resistance trend line, and we will just edit the entry to be at 0.622, I believe. Yeah, and that's gonna be actually everything for the NZDUSD. Of course, the same zone, targeting the same take profit level of 50 pips, and the safe zone ranging for around 32 pips. That's everything, my friends, for the NZDUSD. Let's now move to the USDCHF. So USDCHF has also not been triggered, but at least went in the right direction, and that's somehow enough for me. Now, what we can do next with this pair, I will be honest with you, not sure. I'm not so sure. I mean, I mean, it's not even worth it. I mean, we can actually sell the USDCHF when it reached that level of a previous support. But the problem here is that the market actually, based on the weekly chart, is at the absolutely bottom of the support at the bracket of 0.838. And to be honest with you, I'm doing my best here to send you the best signals. Therefore, I would choose to stay safe. This setup here is not safe for me, and therefore I will not send to my followers any signal right here about the USDCHF for their safety and their funds safety. So let's wait for the USDCHF to make a clear movement, to be either a bearish breakout from that support or a bullish reversal. Until then, we have to play safe and just stay away. Don't get in the middle in the fight between the bulls and the bears. You really don't want that. Only get into the game when the direction is obvious and clear. And until then, just wait for the perfect moment. And of course, don't worry about that. I will send you, my friends, another deals of the days this week, of course, because our last deal of the day, EURUSD actually hasn't been activated, but at least hit the take profit level, which means it went in the right direction. So this was, of course, our yesterday's deal of the day, and I will make sure to send you at least another 2 deal of the days for the remaining days of this week. So until then, my friends, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.